Hey everyone, it's Shadow Master here. Sorry if you can't see it that well, because iPhones, I'm just videoing this on an iPhone so I can just do a quick video. Yeah, iPhones zoom in a bit when you put them on record. But this is my new bike. As you can probably see, my old bike is there. It's not, my old bike's still pretty good, but it's a bit like stuffed up right now. It's got stuff wrong with it, so yeah. But this is my new bike, mountain bike. It's a Norco Storm. Now, it was either one of these, or I was gonna go for one called it's a giant. It's a one called Boulder. I was gonna go for one of the Boulders. Now I compared the Boulder with this one, and this one ended up to be cheaper with all the stuff that I wanted on the Boulder as well. So let's I'll just take you for a run through the bike, and then I'll tell you about the reviews. So yeah, there's a pretty good tread on the tires, as you would new, but I think it looks cool. It's a 24 gear, I think. Yep, 8 times. Yeah, it's 24. First gear is like you're like not even moving. That's how good it is. I was riding up like a huge hill. Like I don't know. I'll probably do a video on it one day, but it is so huge, and I've never ridden up anything before on there. And this just made it up easy. My legs weren't even sore by the top. Good frame. I don't really know. I'm pretty sure it's alum. I don't know, but it's strong and sturdy, I guess. Probably sounds stupid, but yeah, it is. The really nice grips. Sorry if I don't really know much mechanical stuff about this, but anyway, yeah, you got the gears there. Yeah, you got a bell, obviously. Good brakes, and also one that came on the Norco is the disc brakes. Now these disc brakes, I never had disc brakes before, but I knew they're a bit less hassle than having normal brakes. Especially since I had normal brakes on those bikes on the back, on that bike. Sorry, I'm just trying to zoom it in, make it clearer. Yeah, so the time that I've had these, which has only been a day, is yeah, I'm pretty impressed with them. They're good. And also we've got the quick snap tires, or whatever they are, which just means that you can get the tires off really easily, like the front ones and all that. All you do is you pull that down, you twist it left a couple of times holding that, and then it just pops right off, and then you just put it back on the same way. And it's also got adjustable shocks in it. Sand tour. Sorry, I didn't have the camera on the right way. Why isn't that clear enough? I don't know. But sand tour shocks, adjustable. I pretty much got them on the lowest setting, and they do me pretty good for now. But riding this bike, it is so comfortable. I don't know, pretty good seat. But this is like the most comfortable bike I've ever ridden. There's not really any strain or anything. Your legs don't get sore really quick. And from the get-go, you can get, I don't know, just amazing speed. As soon as you put it up in the gears, click it over to the second range, and you're good. But yeah, so this is a review on the Norco Storm. I think if any of you guys are going to go out there, and I think, yeah, this was $4.99. If anyone's going to go out there and buy a new mountain bike, I'd definitely recommend them to check this out. This is a great bike. $500, all that. And yeah, so stay tuned. Also, check out Troopy Kerr's videos. We might put some biking videos up now that I've got this bike working, and now we can actually ride around a bit more, so we might be doing some trials tracks and all that. So yeah, well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more of this bike. Thanks.